So as I'm finishing up my laundry room for my next video, I decided to throw this one in here. We built these 3 cushions for around our table. It took us a while to try to find cushions for this, but we eventually decided to just build our own. And I'm glad we did, because it did not take us that long. I think it took us maybe an hour to build all 3 of these cushions. And probably a fraction of the cost of actually buying cushions of this dimension, because they'd have to be special ordered. So for the process of building them, all you need is 1/4-inch plywood, and you're going to cut it down to your size of the cushion you need. So for my specific cushions, they were 18 inches wide and then different lengths. So you'll cut those down. Then you're going to get foam. We use 3-inch high density foam. You can find that on Amazon. I think they're like 24 inches by 72 inches, so 2 feet by 6 feet, for around $35. And we grabbed 3 of those, which was great. For cutting them, I actually used a fish cleaner. So that knife, as you see there, cuts that stuff really easy. And once you cut it down to the size of your 1/4-inch piece of plywood, you're just going to use some adhesive and glue it down. We got a can of Gorilla spray adhesive, and we just attached it that way. The next thing I did was I add batting. Batting is also pretty cheap on Amazon. For all of this, I think we probably spent $20 on the batting. So you put that on top, and then goes your fabric. So whatever fabric you choose. I don't even remember how much it cost for the fabric. So that's going to be your choice, and all fabric are different prices per yard, so you'll work that way. For attaching it to the plywood, I used 1/4-inch staples, and as you see there, I'm just stapling all the way around. I start with one side and keep pulling it tight, and that holds it perfectly fine. So just the staples, and then once that's done, you're finished. And as you can see, they look really nice. I'm happy how they turned out. The one thing I will say is it's a little high for the table. When you're sitting there with that extra 3 inches, it compresses, but still you're getting probably 2 inches extra height. So I probably should have built it a little bit lower to account for the cushions. But it works great. So thanks for watching. I highly suggest doing it. It was a quick project, relatively inexpensive, and it turned out great. Y'all should be seeing my laundry video coming up, hopefully in the next week or so. The last thing I'm finishing is my doors, and once those are on, I'll start editing that video and throw that out for you guys. Thanks for watching.